Hello children, welcome again to my mathematics class. Today we will continue our topic of decimal numbers. In previous class you learned what is a decimal number and how do we convert a decimal fraction into a decimal number and a decimal number into a decimal fraction. Now we will learn about like and unlike decimals. So what is like and unlike decimal? Like decimal, in see here examples. Decimal numbers are here given: 36.2, 4.85, 61.059. These are the examples of some decimal numbers in which the left part is the whole number part before decimal and the number after decimal are the decimal parts. So here we see that the numbers which are after the decimal are called the decimal part. Digits in the decimal part are called the decimal places. If we have the same number of decimal places, we are called like decimals. Means if there are same number of digits in the decimal part, then they have same decimal places, and if they have different digits, number of digits after the decimal number, after the decimal point, then these are having different decimal places. So what is a like decimal? In which the number has same number of decimal part, and unlike decimals are the decimal number which has different number of decimal places. Examples of unlike decimals are here given: 0.1, 15.38, 251.2. Here we see that there is one decimal place, two decimal place. Every decimal number has different decimal places. So these are unlike decimals, and in this example 0.5, 7.3 all have one decimal place. So these are like decimal places. And like and unlike decimal places, decimals you learned. After this you will know how to change unlike decimal into like decimal. Now converting unlike decimals into like decimals. So let us take a pair of unlike decimals like 0.7 and 0.361. Here it has one decimal places and it has three decimal places. We can easily convert unlike decimals into decimals without changing their values. How? We add two zeros to the right of 7. So it becomes 3 places. So these both have now equal number of decimal places. This is the way to convert unlike decimals into a like decimal. Like here a group of decimal numbers is given which has unlike decimals which are, and when we change it into a like decimal, the maximum decimal places is counted and we add as many zeros to convert it into equal number of decimal places. So check the number having maximum number of decimal places and add zeros and convert into decimal number with 3 decimal places. This is the way to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Now ordering of decimal numbers. So after knowing how to change unlike decimals into like decimals, we can now arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. What we have to do for this? First we compare the whole number part for arranging it in ascending or descending order. Then we compare the digits in the tens place. Next we compare the digits in the hundredth place. Lastly we compare the digits in the thousands place. So this is the way to compare decimal numbers. In this way we can arrange a group of decimal numbers according to their values. So this is by now in decimal numbers. So in next chapter we will continue with addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Till then practice these and we will meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.